In this lesson, I will explain to you addition of polynomials. And before going to start, I will explain to you one more time what is polynomial. I already have discussed too many times in the different lessons, but I am explaining it here because you will use the term polynomial again and again in algebra, so it should be clear. Polynomial is an expression consisting of variables, coefficients, and constant. So see, this is the constant. This is 7. 7 is the constant. These are the variables with the exponent and these are the coefficient. So this is called the polynomials. And then is the another term we use, degree. So this polynomial is 7th degree. How you decide the degrees? On the basis of the highest exponent. So see, this is the highest exponent, 2x7, so it means it is the 7th degree. What about this one? If someone asks you what is the degree of this polynomial, then you have to say it is the 5th degree because 5 is the highest degree or exponent. So you can say that 5th degree polynomial, right? But this is not the standard form to write down. The standard form to write down is, first you have to write down the highest exponent, which is 5x5, then 4, then 3. This is the standard form. This is not the standard form, but this is the 5th degree polynomial and this is the 7th degree polynomial. How you will decide the degree? On the basis of the highest exponent, right? So this is the trinomial. See, it has 3 terms, 1, 2 and 3. This is also the trinomial. The simplest polynomial is called the binomial. Suppose x square plus 1, because it has 2 terms, 1, 2. One is the variable, other is the constant, 2 term. It is called the binomial. This is trinomial, 1, 2, 3 and so on, right? Polynomials means, poly means many. So this is the simplest one. Now I want to tell one more thing, that if the variable has some negative exponent, this is not the polynomial. Polynomial should have the positive exponent. If suppose if I say x power under root z minus z, so see, this is the exponent and again the exponent, the answer will be in minus 1 by 2. So this is also not the polynomial. So in this slide we have learned what is polynomial expression consisting of variables. So this is called the variables, this is exponent, this is coefficient and this is the constant term. Degrees you decide on the basis of the highest exponents, right? This is the 5th degree polynomial, but not in the standard form. In standard form you have to write down in the descending order. So this is the 5 because it has more growth, it can grow. This 5th degree will grow more quickly compared to 4 and cube, right? Now we will come to our topic, that is the addition of polynomials. So you have to add, this is the trinomial, it has 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You have to add these, right? So in addition you do not have to change the sign. Whatever sign is, you suppose there is no sign, it is plus, it is plus. So 2 and 3 will be 5x power 5. Then plus minus. See, I'm not going to add x5 and y4. No, same. It should be the same variable, x5, x5. And then positive, negative, definitely you have to subtract. See, when we subtract 5, 4, so answer is y power 4. But what sign will come? 5, because 5 is greater than 4, right? And one more thing, in addition you do not have to add the exponent. Exponent will remain the same, x5. You have to add or subtract only the coefficient. In multiplication you have to add the exponent as well, right? So this is plus plus, so it will be 11z cube. Same question I have done here. Here's a positive sign between this parenthesis, so there will be no effect on this parenthesis. All the sign will remain the same. Then you have to arrange in order. This is x5, bring x5 together, x4, x4 and then z cube and then 5z cube. When you subtract or add, answer exactly same what we have here. So this is our answer. 5x cube, right, minus y4 plus 11z cube. So you have to keep in mind, In addition or subtraction, we do not have to add the power or exponent. We have to add the exponent in multiplication, right? One more question, you have to add this and this, simple 2s and 3s, same variable, so it is 5s. T square, same, this is plus, this is minus. You have to subtract, yes, you have to subtract, but what sign will come? The sign will come which is greater. So 5 is greater than 4, it is minus, and then both are plus, so 11u cube. Right, one more question we will discuss. Same thing, you have to add this polynomial, tripolynomial with tripolynomial, so it is 2a square and 4a square, so it will be 6a square. Here you have 6b cube with the positive sign, 6b cube with the negative sign. Exact everything same. 6b cube, positive, negative, which will cancel out. And then plus 6, 5. Both have the positive sign, so you have to add and then C4. You do not have to add exponent in case of addition. No, same exponent, right? You have to deal only with the coefficient. Right, so in this lesson you have learned how to add with the polynomials. We have also discussed polynomials. If you have any question related to polynomials or addition, you can write down in the comment section. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel on YouTube, Sami Academy, and thank you.